Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide the fingerprint icon when the screen is off on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. So this feature is simply just to show or hide the icon. It is not to disabling fingerprint. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to go down and tap on biometrics and security. Next, we go down and tap on fingerprints. In here, you need to put in your screen passcode or password. Next, we go down and tap on show icon when screen is off. And in here, you could choose to have it on always on displayed, tap to show, or never. So let's say I choose never. You can see that on my screen. When I turn off the screen, it will not show the fingerprint at all. If I touch on it, then it will show the fingerprint, but if I don't touch on it, it will not show the fingerprint. And here, if I go back in here, and if I choose to show, so on always on displayed, then you can see that on my screen, when I switch it off, it will show the fingerprint icon. Alright, and the other option is when I tap on it, it will show. So if I choose tap to show, you can see that if I tap on the screen, it will show the fingerprint icon. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.